can't help but feel good. I can't help but feel fine. Everything is in its place and everything is mine. Ooh, I can't help but smile. Ooh, I can't help but smile.
It's a nice hiding waterfall. I don't know the name, I don't know what it is, but we're going to find it, right? We stop a few seconds here around the river and look at what I got. I got this beautiful tree palm. I'm gonna put it at home. ¿Dónde está o macaco?
Subindo aqui essa árvore, naquele meio. Ah.
Tem muita arboreada.
É.
Está fechado.
Muito fechado.
All right, we found it here. We found it, guys. We found it. The waterfall's right behind me. Look at that beauty right there. Water is just crystal clear. It's nice, and the forest around this point is amazing. You know. I don't know what you're thinking about this place, guys, but I have to say honestly, I've been in so many waterfalls, but the best part of this place is the little hike to get into this waterfall. As you saw on the whole video, this waterfall is located very, very close to the house of Don Pedro, or la Casa de Don Pedro, all right? Very easy, very convenient, easy track, anybody could come. I came down here with my bike full of everything packed, food, everything, drones, equipment, and Noah, I'm talking about 25 kilos. Come on, you can do it too, guys. It's up to your spirit, it's up to your love for the nature and adventure, guys, all right? Big heart, big love for all the viewers, everybody for those great comments, you know, the views. I mean, it's great support here in Brazil and all over the world.
Venha conhecer aqui, é do lado da Casa de Dom Pedro. Trouxe o Henrique para ver
essa lindeza que tem aqui, que muitos de Limeira não sabem que tem.
Falou, meu irmão Fábio Jr., okay? Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. I appreciate the heart, all the passion for all I'm doing for you guys and to show you the beauty of the nature, alright, guys? Muito cuidado nisso. Tudo isso de vosotros. Ok, gente? Falei, no tele, tchau, tchau.
Tchau, tchau.
I love you people, ciao.